How are we, guys? So on today's episode of the Shed Sesh, we're going to show you how to get that little bugger out. So I've seen heaps of questions about how to get this bad boy off the out of the dash, really. So very, very, very easy, but it's one of those things, easy when you know how. So that's just the headlight switch. Parkers, full beams. You've got the wiper down here, gives you the changes the resistance for the interior, the dash lights. So where you turn them up, turn them down, and it does sit in the dash that way. Obviously, you pull it out like that. To get the knob out, see this little button up the top here, push that in, give it a bit of a wiggle, actually pull it out, push it in, there we go. So as you can see, it's just got a bit of a barb there, and then you've got this sort of bolt there. The dash sits in between there, so it's all mounted in. You just undo that, and then you can take the dash out. And then always good to put it back together when it's out, so you don't lose anything. There you go. And to put it back in, just goes back in like that, doesn't come out. So that easy, guys. Hope everybody got something out of that. Please like and subscribe, and I'll keep on, as I'm doing the 1 tonner, I'll keep on giving these little nuggets of information that just make things a bit easier. So thanks, guys. Love your work. Get in the shed.